Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Today I'm doing another sit down video just because I thought I made this video before, but I guess I didn't, or I might have privated it or it's gone. But a while back I posted a photo of myself wearing the Givenchy mini Antigona, and Sandra_J Segovia, hey girl, thanks so much for watching, by the way. She always messages me and we always have little chats or whatever, but she asked me if I liked the Givenchy mini Antigona. I had told her I had a review on my channel, and for some reason, like, I seriously cannot find that review anymore. So here it is. I am going to post one now just because this could be useful. I mean, it's April 2019 and this bag is probably like super under the radar. It's not something that people are flocking to. It's not a handbag that people love anymore, but honestly girl, I love this bag. So I bought this in, I think like 2015 or something like that. It was my first designer handbag that I ever purchased, like literally one of the first designer handbags I ever purchased for full price. I got it off Essence, which is a Canadian or Montreal based luxury retailer, and I believe they have a store in Montreal, but I've yet to go there. So yeah, I purchased it off of Essence because Halt Renfrew in Toronto, honestly, they suck. I really hate that company. They have the worst customer service ever. But when I went to inquire about the mini Givenchy Antigona, I wanted it specifically in this grained goat skin, and I wanted it with gold hardware, and none of the sales associates wanted to help me. They basically kept telling me I had to be put on a wait list, or I would never be able to get one because the wait list was so high. And back then, I don't recall this bag being like such a hot commodity. It was really popular because of the big sizes, but I've always been a tried and true mini girl. Like, I don't like huge bags. I had a Celine, what are they called, trapeze bags, and that just didn't work for me. I've never owned any like huge bag before, so I knew I was a tried and true mini girl. So I opted for the mini Givenchy Antigona. What I liked about this bag was that it looks so interesting and classic, but at the same time, it's very subtle. Like, it's not brandy, it's not a super branded bag. So that's why I went with this bag, and now that I've had it for so many years, I can honestly say I love this thing so much, I will never sell this. Like, I go to Chicago because there's a convention every year that I attend. I always bring this bag just because it's small, but it fits so much stuff. I like that it has top handles, and these top handles don't flap down or anything like that. I like that it just says Givenchy on the top there. I love that it comes with this little strap, and I don't know if the new ones that you can buy now are they are adjustable or not, but these are adjustable, so you just have to rip them off this. There's holes here, and then you just have to rip them off the studs, but I don't know if they can like detach, because this one you can't detach, you have to keep it on. But I would never take the strap off anyways. If I don't want to carry it with a strap, I literally just loop it, put it there, and you can barely see it, so you'd be holding it like this. So this bag has been so durable. I love this goat skin because literally I've spilled so many things on this bag, and it looks, you know, pretty good. Like, it's an old bag, so yeah, it's pretty beat up, and I've like used and abused this bag, but it looks pretty good. The only problem that I have with this bag, because I've used it so much, and because this is literally the spot that rubs against your back, is that it's rubbing here, and you can see the black leather has worn off. But I think you could take this into like a cobbler or something, and they could probably fix that up for you. But it literally looks like it's been melted. I don't know, it's so weird. But I really truly love this bag. I kept all the stuffing in here because it's very important to stuff your bags, girls and boys. But yeah, I've had this for so long that it's so disgustingly dirty. Oh my god, like, you can see how dirty the lining is because I've literally used and abused this bag. So I'm just going to show you guys what there's like a scrunchie pocket here on the one side, and then there's a slip pocket here, and then on the back there is a zipper pocket there. It just says Givenchy, made in Italy, and I don't know, is there like a serial number or something in the back? Yeah, there is. There's like a serial number in the back. There's a serial number in the back. Oh my god, it's so disgustingly dirty. I need to clean this thing. Like, what's in here? Oh, a necklace. Shout out to my girls. I got everyone one of these necklaces from my friend's girlfriend's jewelry line, but I put like their initials on it, and not just like their first initial, but their first and last initial, which was really bomb. But I got one that has an H on it for myself, but it's like cheapy jewelry, so it's whatever. I never wear it. I just have one because I got all my friends one. But yeah, look how freaking roomy this thing is. Decided to bring up the bag that I'm currently using, which is just a Longchamp Le Pliage backpack. And I have my keys. I'm throwing them into the Louis Vuitton clay. I do that so I don't scratch the rest of my items. So I have that. The bag's empty right now. I'm gonna put all my little essentials. Just so you know, this big 17-ounce small bottle, it barely fits, but it still fits. Like, I could still carry this thing around. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. But let's put my essentials in here. So I have like a mini emergency kit. Oh my god, almost dropped the bag. Throw that in there. I have my wallet. I have my lip care. I have a poncho. My glasses. A lip balm and hand cream. Throw it in one of the side pockets. My keys and coin purse. My phone. An agenda. A granola bar. I have my headphones. And lastly, I have a random glasses case that I put my camera in. I'll just throw it in there anyways. And then a Guarana coconut vanilla rhubarb. I haven't tried this yet, so that'll be interesting, but I'll throw that in there. Like, it's filled to the brim now, and I can still zip it up. It's obviously really heavy and hefty right now because obviously I filled it to the brim, but like, hello, look, I fit everything in here. And I like that the bag is still, like, even though it's filled to the brim, it's still structured, but it's also still smushy. Like, you can kind of see that there's something poking up there and here, but like the goat skin has kept its structure quite well because the sides here, they're hard, but then the main leather pieces on the front and the back, they're so smushy, and the bottom has kept its structure as well. So I really think the money for this bag was well worth it. Just so you guys know, when I did purchase it in 2015, it was like $17.50 or something like that, and then with taxes it was like under $2,000. Right now, for the same black mini Givenchy Antigona in goatskin, or sugared goatskin is what they call it, with the silver hardware, on Essence it's retailing for $2,085 plus taxes. So I honestly have to say, I think I got cost per wear out of it like 100%, because I wore this so much when I first got it, and I still wear this to date all the time. And I think it's well worth its money. It's a bag that like people don't really have all that much anymore, but it's still so classic because like you just can't really go wrong. It's just like a basic black bag that, yeah, it looks cute, right? It's like cute, and it's still trendy because it's so adorably small. So that's my review for this bag. I still love it so much. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have your eye on this bag. I know the resale for this is not very good. You probably won't get like more than you paid, and you probably will have to like settle for less than you paid. But this is a bag that I would never sell in my collection, just because it's like such a good tried and true beat bag that I can use all the freaking time. I love this thing to death. It's one of my favorite bags in my handbag collection because it's literally just such a workhorse. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at _HelloHarley if you guys want to see me style my ritzy clothes, and then obviously I carry my little lovely handbags with me. Or if you guys are just interested in catching up with my life. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.